this is what I'm eating for lunch. We got the new Harry Potter donuts from Krispy Kreme, but first we're gonna start with an original glazed. Slytherin. It's good. It's basically an original glaze with like an Oreo topping. Ravenclaw. This one has blueberry icing. It tastes like a blueberry Pop-Tart. Gryffindor! I think Gryffindor is Biscoff flavored. It's like a cinnamony cookie butter. Hufflepuff. This one is caramel. It's my least favorite. Okay, now we just have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 original glaze left to eat. That is so good. Ice water. See you guys next time.